Ever wondered how advanced AI can become your ticket to earning online? In this fast-paced digital era, the tools to create, innovate, and generate income are at your fingertips. One such tool standing at the forefront of this revolution is ChatGPT-4. Imagine having an ally that works round the clock, turning your ideas into a steady stream of revenue. ChatGPT-4 doesn't just keep up with the digital trend, it's leading the charge. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business owner, this sophisticated AI can transform your digital footprint. From crafting engaging content to coding like a pro, ChatGPT-4 is your versatile partner in the ever-evolving online marketplace. It's time to step into the spotlight and carve a niche for yourself in this buzzing digital landscape. So buckle up and get ready to unleash the potential of ChatGPT-4, your round-the-clock money-making ally. ChatGPT-4 is not your average chatbot. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is so advanced, it can understand and generate human-like text. That's not a futuristic dream. It's a reality, and it's called ChatGPT-4. Let's dive a little deeper. ChatGPT-4 is the brainchild of OpenAI, an organization at the forefront of artificial intelligence research. This tool is built on the foundations of natural language processing, or NLP, a field of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. It's this innovative technology that allows ChatGPT-4 to generate text that is not only coherent but also contextually relevant. But that's not all. ChatGPT-4 is also equipped with a feature called Transformer, a machine learning model that allows it to predict what comes next in a piece of text. It's like having a digital assistant that can finish your sentences, but with an accuracy that might surprise you. Now, you may be thinking, that's impressive, but what can it do for me? Well, the answer is a lot. ChatGPT-4's capabilities extend way beyond crafting engaging content for blogs or websites. It can also assist in managing customer service by handling inquiries and providing quick, accurate responses. And if you're into app development, ChatGPT-4 can help generate code, making the process a whole lot easier and efficient. But what really sets ChatGPT-4 apart is its versatility. It's like a Swiss Army knife of AI tools, ready to tackle a multitude of tasks. Whether you're a writer needing help with content creation, an entrepreneur looking for ways to automate your business, or a developer in need of a coding assistant, ChatGPT-4 is there to lend a hand. So, as you navigate the ever-evolving online marketplace, remember this. Having a tool that can understand, generate, and predict human-like text is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. And that's exactly what ChatGPT-4 offers. ChatGPT-4 is the versatile partner you need in the evolving online marketplace. Getting started is simpler than you think. With ChatGPT-4, you're not just accessing a tool, you're unlocking a world of potential. But how does one navigate this world? Let's break it down. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with ChatGPT-4 and its capabilities. This AI is not your run-of-the-mill chatbot. It's a sophisticated language model that understands and generates human-like text. It can write blogs, code software, manage customer service, and so much more. Explore its documentation thoroughly. It's like getting to know a new friend, understand its strengths, find out what it can do, and learn how you can make the most of your partnership. Step 2. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What markets are you familiar with? Maybe it's tech, lifestyle, finance, or health and wellness. The beauty of ChatGPT-4 is that it's versatile. It can assist you in any field you choose. You're not limited by the AI's knowledge, you're only limited by your own creativity. Brainstorm how ChatGPT-4 can fill gaps in your chosen niche. It could be creating tailored content for a blog, automating customer interactions for an e-commerce store, or coding a new app for a tech startup. Now on to step 3. Translate these services into marketable offerings. This is where the rubber meets the road. How can you turn your ChatGPT-4 powered services into income? For starters, consider freelancing platforms. These digital marketplaces are teeming with clients looking for the exact services ChatGPT-4 can provide. Set up a profile, list your services, and start bidding on projects. But don't stop there. You can also use ChatGPT-4 to bolster your own business. Maybe you've always wanted to start a blog but didn't have the time to write posts. Or perhaps you own an online store and need help with customer service. ChatGPT-4 can step in, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. Remember, the key is to think outside the box. The more innovative your offerings, the more likely you are to stand out in a crowded marketplace. And with ChatGPT-4 by your side, you're equipped with one of the most advanced tools in the digital world. Translate these services into marketable offerings on freelancing platforms or your business website. With ChatGPT-4, the possibilities are limitless. You're not just keeping up with the digital trend, you're setting the pace. You're not just earning online, you're paving your way to financial freedom. So roll up your sleeves, dive in, and let's turn your ideas into income with ChatGPT-4. The digital landscape is buzzing, and it's your turn to step into the spotlight. The dawn of a new era is upon us, an era where technology and creativity intertwine to create opportunities like never before. And at the heart of it all is ChatGPT-4, a tool designed to make the impossible possible. Think about it. We're standing on the precipice of a revolution, one where artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept, but a reality that's reshaping the way we work, live, and succeed. And you, yes you, have the chance to be a part of it, a chance to ride the wave, to seize the moment, to shape your own destiny. This isn't just about earning online. This is about transforming the way we think about work. It's about breaking the shackles of traditional employment and embracing the flexibility and freedom that comes with being your own boss. It's about forging your own path, creating your own success story, and making a difference in the world. With ChatGPT-4, the ball is in your court. The possibilities are endless and the potential for success is immense. Whether you're a writer, a developer, a marketer, or simply someone with a dream, ChatGPT-4 is the tool that can help you turn your ideas into income. So don't just sit there. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Embrace the change, embrace the challenge, and embrace the potential that lies within you. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. And this, my friends, could be the step that changes everything. The future is here, and it's time for you to be a part of it. It's time for you to harness the power of advanced AI and start creating your own success story. It's time for you to step into the spotlight and show the world what you're capable of. Dive into the world of ChatGPT-4 and start carving your path to online earning success. Remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself. So dream big, aim high, and let ChatGPT-4 be your guide on this exciting journey. The future is waiting, and it's time for you to seize it. Hit subscribe for more insights and hit the bell icon so you won't miss a beat on your journey to financial freedom with AI. With this, you're ensuring that you're always in the loop, always ready to seize the opportunities that AI and specifically ChatGPT-4 can offer. You see, everyday advancements in technology are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The online marketplace is rapidly evolving, and with it, the opportunities to earn. It's a vibrant, dynamic world, always on the move, always presenting new avenues to explore. And to keep up with it, to stay ahead of the curve, you need to be constantly learning, constantly adapting. That's where subscribing to this channel comes in. By hitting that subscribe button, you're saying yes to a wealth of knowledge, insights, and tips on how to leverage the power of AI for your online earning ventures. You're saying yes to staying informed and updated. You're saying yes to not just surviving but thriving in the digital economy. And by hitting the bell icon, you're ensuring that you're always the first to know about the latest trends, the newest updates, the most effective strategies. You're making sure that you never miss a beat, that you're always ready to take on whatever the online marketplace throws at you. You're setting yourself up for success, but subscribing and staying updated is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start using ChatGPT-4, when you start harnessing its capabilities to turn your ideas into income. It's like having a professional writer, coder, and assistant all rolled into one, ready to work for you round the clock. It's your ticket to earning online, to financial freedom, so don't wait. Start now. Start exploring, brainstorming, creating. Start turning your creative spark into a steady stream of earnings. Start your journey to financial freedom with AI. Let's turn your creative spark into a steady stream of earnings with ChatGPT-4, starting now.